Let me introduce one of our classical backlight products, 20A1 and 20A1B. The difference between 20A1 and 20A1B is with or without the mount length. Normally, we call those series products backlights. It can both surface mount and recessed mount. Diameter is 622 for surface mount, with a length as high as 12.5 mm. Without length its height is 10 mm only. The real size of the diameter is 54 to 56 mm. It is a classical 12-volt 3-watt light. Let's check the real things. It has an all aluminum body, so the heat dissipation effect will be better. The light source is COB LED. The sample is recessed mount item. The back side is direct fastened with the tooth clips. It has the yield certificate. Let's take a look at the actual effect of installed lights. After install the lights, the 3 layers of panel look very bright. And then let's off the light and compare it. Without the lights, the 3 layers of panel look very dark and low value. Then let's turn on the light again. You can see with the light and without the light is much difference. Normally it's used for small area local lighting scene. The 3-layer panel is like this. It needs to drill a hole and put a light inside, and also a small channel for wire. The wire through the channel to the backside to get power. The 3 lights connected controlled by the same switch. The video case is recessed mount one, so let's come close the light and see the details. You can see after installing it, the light is almost flat with the wood panel, become one part of the wood panel. So this is the classical backlight product 20A1B.